Welcome to Lesson 12 of the class Dutch Pronunciation for Beginners, Consonant Letters. In this lesson, we'll learn the main pronunciation and spelling rules of three consonant letters, Q, X, and A. These letters are taught in the same lesson because they all appear primarily in loanwords. First, let's look at the letter Q. It mainly appears in the letter combination QU in loanwords. This letter combination is normally pronounced as a consonant sequence K. Let's look at three examples. Aquaduct, adequat, frequent. A main exception to this rule is that in some French loanwords, the letter combination QU is pronounced as a voiceless consonant K. For example, quiche, liquide. Now let's move on to the letter X. This is generally pronounced as a consonant sequence X. For example, taxi, complex, xylophone. Lastly, let's look at the letter A. This letter is normally pronounced as a vowel E. It's the same as the vowel in the English word key. For example, baby, dynamique, hypothèque. A main exception to this rule is that in some French loanwords, the letter A is pronounced as a consonant Y. For example, rayon, royal. That brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.